Growing your indoor hydroponics plants with compact fluorescents is by far the easiest and low-cost grow lights to use. Compact fluorescents are the most common type of light you can find in most houses, and it's been available for over 2 decades. Amongst the various types of grow lights we know, compact fluorescent is the easiest to find, and they're great options for newbies. They're also cheap, and they will do a fine job when it comes to growing various types of plants. Let's dive in and discuss growing with compact fluorescents for the best results in your hydroponics garden. What are compact fluorescence lights? Compact fluorescent light is an excellent light source to supply to your plants. They are great in giving a great spectrum of light for your growing plant needs. Compact fluorescent light CFL came about as a replacement for the classic incandescent lamp. Although incandescent lamps were great, they just burn hotter and waste too much electricity. Contrarily, compact fluorescent light gives out less heat and consumes less energy. At the same time, they supply an efficient and similar amount of light as the incandescent lamp, thus making them a better choice. Why use compact fluorescents for growing? Compared to the more expensive grow lights such as metal halide, LED grow light, and high-pressure sodium, compact fluorescents will offer almost the same function as others at a lesser cost. They will also make use of lesser electricity, thus making them cost-effective. Another added advantage is that they can be customized as they come in various shapes and sizes. They also come in various ranges of wattage. They are easy to install, and you can fix them close to your plants for optimal results. Types of compact fluorescents for growing. Most compact fluorescents don't come in full spectrum. They usually come in 2 colors, namely warm and daylight colors. Kelvin scale is used to measure or determine the colors of light the bulb emits. Here are the types of compact fluorescents you may find in the market. Warm colors, measured 2000 or 2700 on the Kelvin scale. The warm colors emit a red and yellowish spectrum. This type is ideal for the flowering phase and blooming. Daylight, measured 5500 or 6500 on the Kelvin scale. The daylight emits cool and bluish colors. It is ideal for all growing phases and great for the vegetative phase. Other types you may find are the dual spectrum, which has been customized to emit yellow colors and a mix of blue colors. How much bulbs or watts is needed for growing? The amount of light required for growing will vary solely on the type of plants, because some plants require more or fewer watts. For a general guideline, you can supply your plants with about 80 to 100 watts per square foot of growing area. Some vegetables require about 50 to 70 watts. For example, indoor lettuce plants don't require much light because they are fast growers. However, other plants such as tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, etc. require more lights or watts. How many CFLs per plant? You should be able to deduce if any of your plants require more light by accessing the growth rate of all the areas of your garden. If some parts are booming well and some parts are struggling to pick up, then that's a situation of not covering all the plant's angles with light. Adjust accordingly and continue to monitor the growth rate of all plant areas. How to use compact fluorescents for growing plants. We admire the fact that one can plug compact fluorescent into regular light sockets. You can arrange them as you please because they come in different sizes and shapes, and they are highly customizable. Where to put compact fluorescents? Place the light at least 4 to 6 inches away from your plants. Every angle of the bulb emits light, so do your best for this light to point toward your plant's directions. Usually, some light will point away from your plants. But to utilize most of the reflected light, make use of reflectors so most of the light emitted can point towards your plants. Apart from using reflectors, you can also make use of white paint, aluminum foil, or panda paper as substitutes. It is pretty convenient to grow with compact fluorescent light in your hydroponic garden. You enjoy a cost-effective technique to supply light to your plants while still enjoying great results. We have highlighted in this video some useful points to assist you in the use of compact fluorescent light, CFL. With that, we hope you are able to utilize some of these tips and come out with amazing results. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.